Bro, let me use your shoes so I can go get the V, bro.
Female caller was Miss Kent Kiora.
Is this Hunter?
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Excuse me? Please stop. Hello?
Yeah, can I help you?
Hey, how you doing, sir?
What's up?
I'm so sorry to bother you guys. This is like my last resort. It's so cold out here. I'm homeless. I haven't ate for a couple of nights. I was trying to get like some Thanksgiving dinner, like $10 or $13 so I could eat for a night or two. You'll really
I'm
be a big blessing to me, sir. This is like my
sorry.
last.
Sorry, I can't help you. We can't help you. I'm sorry about that, man.
It's okay, no problem. God bless you guys, though.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Make sure you keep those doors locked. This lady tries to act like she parked this car into this driveway.
Get the fuck back over here. What do you mean you thought it was your car? Is it your property? Is it your property? So how the fuck would you think that was your car?
Try to bring those bikes inside or lock them up. I guess this was some type of revenge.
Man, I took your bike, bitch ass nigga. Come get that shit back. Hey! What?
Just open something.
What the fuck?
Let me know what you guys think in the comments. We're gonna let this guy hold a couple dollars till his check drop.
Hello?
Hi, how are you? Hey, my name is Jackie, and I just got out of rehab, and I get a disability check, but I was too late to pick it up, and I'm kind of hungry. I see you got a couple dollars until the morning. Then I can reimburse you if that's not a problem, please. I just been trying all day and it's not giving me luck.
I don't have any cash, man. Good luck to you, though.
I forget about it. Have a blessed night.
You okay?
Yeah, I don't know why this shit is on my side of the street.
I don't know why you threw it in front of my home. It's kind of rude.
It's not mine.
Okay. It's
That's
not.
why.
It's not mine either.
That's why.
Don't forget about those other delivery options, P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations you can grab them from, just in case.
Hey! Hey!
What's up? How you doing? You guys good? Mm-hmm. We got a call up here.
Is she home?
Who? Let me know down in the comments. Have you ever been swatted?
Mom? I'm home. Someone call it on speaker. Everything good?
Was it a girl?
Yeah, it was a female caller. Saying someone, what's the dude's name? Darnell? Derek? 240. No, nothing's going on, sir?
There's only house in here? Like, there's only my mom and my sister are here.
Hold on, I might tell you right here. What was the male's name?
The male has it, Darnell.
Darnell?
My name is Marquise.
Do you know Darnell? It's 561 Berkeley, right?
Yep, 561 Berkeley. The female caller was Miss Kent, Kiora.
Kiora? Yep. You have a Kiora?
This is my mom.
You call?
No.
Yeah. Is there someone named Kiora?
No.
All right.
I don't think so right now. Oh, what's your name?
Shantia, right?
Shut up.
That's not it. All right. Sorry to bother you.
Sorry about that. No, we got a domestic. We got a domestic from right here, so we're just going to do our job. All right? Sorry about that.
Check this guy out. He comes to this porch looking through the windows. He says some strange things to somebody off camera. I'm not sure what he has going on.
Excuse me. Bro, let me use your shoes so I can go get the V, bro. You can't. My nigga, come on. I just took you here, bro. You can sit right here, my nigga. I swear to God, my nigga. What do I gotta do any of that for? Come on, my nigga. I wouldn't do this shit if it wasn't these circumstances, bro. Please, my nigga. My nigga, I need the shoes either way. What?
I need water. No fat, no fat, no fat. A bottle of water? You have a bottle of water? Do you have a bottle of water? Okay, all right, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, can I help you? Hello? Hey, I didn't order Taco Bell. Hello?
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.
y'all doing, bitch? I see you stealing my package. Oh, I see the little girl stealing my package. I just
Is this Hunter?
Could you please open the door to Vet's house? I sure hope so. Come on. Same person. We've already stayed. Come on, man. Open the door. Maybe I'm being crazy.
What the? I'm done. That's it. What the? I'm done. Let's go.
Hey.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.